Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled you're joining us today. We're diving into the world of creativity and craftsmanship with a countdown of the top needle felting supplies products available on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned felter or just starting, these tools will enhance your projects and spark your imagination. So without further ado, let's get started on discovering the best of the best in needle felting supplies. Number 5 on our countdown is a must-have for any needle felting enthusiast, introducing the Needle Felting Wool 80G set. Dive into a world of creativity with this vibrant collection that brings 8 captivating colors to your fingertips, including classic shades like black, white, gray, and brown. Each color comes individually wrapped in clear, resealable bags with approximately 10 grams of premium wool per hue, ensuring freshness and convenience. Imagine the soft, luxurious touch of this high-quality wool roving as it transforms into your next masterpiece. Its velvety texture makes it incredibly easy to shape and sculpt, whether you're crafting adorable animals, charming dolls, or intricate decorations. This set isn't just about the wool, it's about the endless possibilities and the joy of DIY. Perfect for a wide range of applications, this felting wool can breathe life into your most imaginative projects. And if you're searching for a thoughtful gift, look no further. From spinning and keychains to wool paintings, this felting wool makes for an exceptional present, ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. Let your creativity soar and craft something memorable with this exquisite set. Number 4 on our countdown is a game changer for felting aficionados, presenting the Merino Wool Roving in the color Snow. This isn't just wool, it's an embodiment of pure, unadulterated luxury. Sourced from Italy, this 100% pure merino wool is your gateway to felting perfection. Imagine the delicate touch of 19-micron fibers, meticulously combed to a staple length of 70 millimeters, or 2.75 inches. Each ounce of this roving offers an exquisite blend of softness and durability, transforming your felting projects into works of art. The color Snow, with its pristine, untouched whiteness, provides a versatile canvas for your creative endeavors. Crafted with precision and care, this wool roving promises a superior felting experience. Whether you're aiming for fine details or robust forms, its fine texture and purity will elevate your projects to a new level of sophistication. And with the option to choose from a range of colors, you can tailor your creations to your unique vision. Dive into the world of exceptional felting with Merino Wool Roving, where Italian craftsmanship meets your creative dreams. Coming in at number 3, we have the ultimate game changer for felting enthusiasts, the Mayboos Needle Felting Starter Kit. This comprehensive set is a veritable treasure trove for anyone looking to dive into the world of needle felting. Imagine unlocking your creativity with 40 assorted, vibrant wool roving colors, each neatly packaged in its own reusable bag. With 3 grams per color, this fluffy, soft wool is perfect for adding that extra pop to your DIY projects. The array of colors ensures that whether you're crafting felted animals or designing intricate wool art, you'll have just the right shade at your fingertips. But that's not all. This starter kit is more than just a collection of wool. It includes essential needle felting tools such as needles, bells, scissors, finger cots, and a foam pad. Everything you need to get started and keep going. Each tool is housed in a transparent plastic case, ensuring you won't lose track of your supplies and making organization a breeze. Versatility is key with this kit. It's designed for needle felting, wet felting, dry felting, wool painting, and even jewelry making. Whether you're crafting for fun or creating unique gifts, this kit is a perfect choice for families, friends, or anyone passionate about felting. And don't worry about missing pieces. This kit comes with everything you need, and the team behind it is ready to assist if you have any questions before, during, or after your purchase. Dive into your felting journey with confidence and creativity with the Mayboos Needle Felting Starter Kit. Are you loving our countdown of the best-selling needle felting supplies on Amazon? Don't be sheepish. Give us a woolly good like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our top picks. At number 2, we're thrilled to present the Mayboos 74-piece Needle Felting Tools Kit, a must-have for both beginners and seasoned felters alike. This comprehensive kit is a powerhouse of versatility and precision, designed to elevate your felting projects with ease. Inside this neatly organized box, you'll discover a treasure trove of felting needles tailored to meet all your crafting needs. With 30 fine needles, 20 medium needles, and 20 thick needles, you have the perfect tool for every stage of your project. The fine needles are ideal for delicate detailing, while the thick needles handle the initial fast dab felting. And don't forget the 2 needle tools and a pair of finger cots, all housed in convenient plastic bottles to keep everything organized and within reach. Crafted from superior metal and wood, these needles are not only durable but also designed for long-term use. The robust materials ensure that your tools remain reliable through countless creative endeavors. Plus, the easy storage and vertical use of the felting needle make for a streamlined, hassle-free crafting experience. From crafting intricate small wool felt creations to tackling various other craft projects, this kit covers it all. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, the Mayboos 74-piece kit is here to inspire and support your creative journey. Transform your ideas into beautiful, felted masterpieces and bring joy to your life and those around you with this essential tool set. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is a standout choice for all your felting needs, the 3.53-ounce Wool Roving Yarn. This is not just wool, it's the cornerstone of your creative projects, designed to deliver exceptional results across a range of applications. Versatility is the name of the game with this wool roving. Whether you're into needle felting, wet felting, spinning, or weaving, this fiber has you covered. It's perfect for embellishing, doll making, soap crafting, and even dryer balls. Use it wet or dry, and watch your ideas come to life with ease. Crafted from high-quality, super soft fiber, this wool roving spins and felts like a dream. It's the ideal choice for a variety of projects, enhancing their appearance and giving them a professional finish. Whether you're working on intricate details or large-scale creations, this wool will help you achieve your vision with stunning results. Ease of use is another key feature. The soft fiber felts quickly and integrates seamlessly into your crafts. Perfect for making charming characters and unique animal friends, it simplifies your creative process and ensures that your projects turn out beautifully. Each color comes neatly packed in a handy pouch, approximately 100 grams per bag. This thoughtful packaging prevents any color chaos, making it easy to select and use exactly what you need. Whether you're crafting jewelry, art bat making, or preparing for the holiday season, this wool roving is your ideal companion. Imagine crafting bright, beautiful flowers for Mother's Day or adding a personal touch to your DIY projects. This wool makes it all possible. Elevate your crafting experience with the 3.53-ounce Wool Roving Yarn and bring your creative dreams to life with the finest quality wool available. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top needle felting supplies on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. And